What's going on? I'm faced with a little dilemma. In order to give my dogs access to the shop and the backyard, I typically leave the back door open so they can have access in and out. But the weather is changing and this is not the best option. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to install this Armorflex dog door. This is the large one. I got the large one because I have a Doberman and he gets pretty tall. The best thing about it is the magnetic flat. So we're about to install this and give it a whirl and see how it works. Hopefully it does not let the draft in. That's my main thing, is to not let the draft in, but we're about to go through this install with me. After the wind test and using the doggy door for about a week now, I am totally pleased with it. The elements are not getting in the shop and the dogs have easy access. The training was a breeze. One thing I could say is once the dogs break the magnetic seal, access is easy. So to help them break the seal or learn how to break the seal, I used to hold the door up, but now each dog has their own technique on getting into the shop. We have one uses his nose to break the magnetic seal, and then we have Sir. Sir, he'll use the slap method. He'll slap the dog door to break the magnetic seal, so then he can use his nose to get in. So I'm pleased with it. Install was simple, training was simple, and now we have access in and out the shop. No problem.